Ever wondered why balloons make such a loud pop when they burst? It's like they're trying to startle you on purpose. So, what's causing the big noise? The sound comes from the sudden release of pressure. When you blow air into a balloon, you're forcing air into a small, stretchy space, building up tension inside. The balloon's rubber skin stretches and gets thinner as more air is added. Once the tension becomes too much, pop. The air rushes out so quickly that it creates a sound wave, which is what we hear as a loud noise. It's like a mini explosion. The faster the air escapes, the louder the sound. It's all about pressure and the speed of air moving out of the balloon. So next time a balloon pops, just know it's physics working at full force. Like and follow for more fun science facts.